Unboxing the Cisco Catalyst 1300 series marks a transition for many small to medium business (SMB) networks, as these switches are designed to replace the popular Cisco Business 350, CBS 350 line while adopting the prestigious Catalyst branding. Here is what you can expect when you crack open the box. What's in the box? Cisco keeps the packaging professional and utilitarian. Regardless of the specific port count, 8, 16, 24, or 48 ports, you will typically find the switch, the unit itself, featuring a sleek white or light gray finish, a departure from the classic enterprise navy blue. Power solution, 8-port models, usually come with an external power adapter. 16, 24, and 48-port models feature an internal power supply and include a standard AC power cord. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. Mounting hardware, rack mount brackets, ears, and screws for 19-inch racks, included with 24 and 48-port models, rubber feet for desktop placement. Pointer card, a small card with a QR code leading to the online documentation, quick start guide, and regulatory information. Console cable, select models depending on the SKU, you may or may not find a console cable, though the series supports both RJ45 and USB-C console ports. Hardware overview and physical features. The Catalyst 1300 series is built for out-of-the-closet deployments, meaning many models are fan-less and silent, perfect for an office desk or a quiet retail environment. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. Front panel, status LEDs, system, link/act, PO, reset button, and all networking ports. Management ports, both an RJ45 console and a USB-C console port for modern laptop connectivity. Expansion, SFP or SFP plus slots, 1G or 10G depending on the model, for high-speed fiber uplinks. PO support, available in PO Plus versions with power budgets ranging from 67W to 740W. Rear panel, AC power input and a Kensington lock slot for security. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content.